iPhone stuck in constant booting loop with Apple logo is a common issue, and this video will tell you how to fix it effortlessly by yourself. All the methods mentioned in the video are suitable for all iOS versions, including the latest iOS 15. Now, let's get started. Before discussing the solutions, you should first check if your phone has enough charge. If not, it will also show up the Apple logo but fail to boot up properly. If your iPhone has enough charge, then look through the methods in this video and try them out one by one to solve the issue. The first method is to force restart your iPhone. This usually fixes any temporary glitches on the condition that there aren't any issues with the iPhone firmware or hardware. If you're using iPhone 8 or a later model, press and quickly release the volume up button. Then the volume down button, press and hold the power button. When the Apple logo appears, release the power button. Follow the on-screen steps to force restart your iPhone if you're using other iPhone models. Try this several times, as sometimes it works after a few attempts. Keep on watching the video to follow the second method if method 1 didn't work for you. The second method is to restore your iPhone with iTunes. Note that this method will reset your iPhone to factory settings, and all the content and data on your iPhone will be erased. So it is recommended that you back up your device first. First, boot your iPhone into recovery mode by following the on-screen steps. Once the iPhone is in recovery mode, open iTunes on your Mac or PC. Then connect your iPhone with the USB cable. It will automatically prompt you to update or restore your iPhone. Click Restore. Now, you can restart your iPhone normally. You can also try the DFU Restore method to fix the issue. Note that you'll also lose all the data on your iPhone. First, plug your iPhone into your Mac or PC through a USB cable. Then, open iTunes on the computer. Follow the on-screen steps to put your phone into DFU Restore mode. Nothing will be displayed on the iPhone screen while it's in DFU mode. iTunes will automatically prompt you once your device has been connected. Retry the steps if iTunes failed to detect the phone. Once iTunes detects your iPhone, it'll prompt you to restore the device. Tap OK and follow the instructions to restore your iPhone. In case that all three methods fail to fix the constant rebooting issue of your iPhone, we have another solution for you. It will need the help of a third-party tool, Umendit. As a professional iOS repair tool, it is specially designed to fix all the software problems on an iPhone. The operation is quite simple. All you have to do is to download and launch the application on your computer. Connect your iPhone to the computer and choose Standard Repair or Deep Repair mode to fix the issue. Just follow the prompted steps on the interface. Alright, I hope these methods helped you out. On the assumption that the issue is caused by a hardware issue, then you can only contact Apple support for help, as the above solutions apply to software issues only. Anyhow, try those methods first. You're welcome to share your experience in the comment section with us.